So guys, I'm going to teach you how to fix switch to youtube.com. I have a previous video teaching you how to fix that. If that is not working for you, then this is going to work for you. First of all, what you have to do is to just follow me step by step without skipping any part of this video. So go to your phone menu and scroll down and try to search in for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do next is to tap on it to open it. So when you tap on it to open it, you just have to select my phone. It depends on the device you're using. Other device, you're not going to see my phone over here. But what you have to do is to just scroll down to about phone. It's going to be down below over here. But with my phone, it's my phone over here. So you just have to tap on it, and you're going to see all your phone, you know, details, everything about your phone. And this is the name of my phone, and this is the model of my phone, and this is the Android version. So if your Android version is 7 point something or 4 point something, maybe that's the reason why YouTube is really not working well, and it's trying to let you fix this by opening youtube.com. But in this video, I'm going to help you out to fix that. So what you have to do is to just look at the Android version over here. Then what you have to do is to go to your Google Chrome or your Google. Do you get me? So when you get over here to Google, what you have to do is to tap on the search or tap URL. So what you have to do is to just tap on the search over here and type in YouTube. I just did a mistake over here. YouTube app Android version. Maybe your Android version is 7.0 or 7 or 7.1, as you can see. So you just have to tap on the search, then you scroll down. You're going to see a lot of apps over here, so you just have to select this or either this one, APK Mirror, or you just have to scroll down to APK Pure or up to down. So you tap on one of these and you're going to see YouTube over here. So you can see it's loading. So after loading, you're going to see ads over there. So you have to scroll down and tap on download APK. So when you tap on download APK, what you have to do is to do scroll down, and you're going to see it's over here. So this is it. So you have to download it. So as you can see, it's loading, and this is it, downloading file. So let's tap on the details for you to see, and this is it, it's downloading. So this is how to fix it. After downloading it, reinstall it on your device, and when you install it on your device, you are going to get it fixed, and you're going to be able to access YouTube like this. As you can see that I am also accessing. It's going to work perfectly as it used to work, as you already know. So it's actually going to work like this. As you can see, YouTube is going to work perfectly like this. Do you get me? So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends.